Happy Vlogmas, ladies and gents. This is my first time ever doing this, but I feel like I am officially a YouTuber because I'm attempting it. I will try my best to give you some cheesy content, some good things that you can do with your antlers, so we could talk about Christmas decor that you can do, gifts for that hunter in your life, whether it's a nice little gift for yourself or someone that you love, what we're doing to get ready for Christmas, and all the cool things that our family does. I'll also share with you a recipe each video. I'd like to show you an appetizer or two to kind of pique your interest for those Christmas parties. We're going to be doing Advent this year with our family, so I thought I'd start this one off with our day one gift that we got for our kids, and I'm sure that it's going to be a hit this whole holiday season. So without further ado, Vlogmas Day 1. Melty! Parlor beads!
Parlor beads! Okay, so
where's our iron?
it's in the cabinet in the bathroom. There's a lot of different things that you can make with that.
Do you guys know my smiley face thing that I made? That I made. It's a smiley face.
You'll have to show them.
I will.
Okay.
I love your hair, Oliver. I meant to say that to you yesterday.
Advent day number 1 seems to be a success. So Mama and I are just leaving Walmart. We got some stuff prepped, purchased for Christmas, and for something that she's going to take care of for us, which you will find out later. But we're pretty excited about it. Also picked up a present for my hubby. His birthday is in December, and so it's from the kids. He will love it. They will love giving it to him, and much fun will ensue from it. We made chicken bacon ranch pizzas again tonight. If you want to see the full recipe for this, then check out my 1 week meal plan that I just put out. So, bon appetit. Welcome to the chill factor, our living room. I feel like I need to have some hot cocoa or like tea or something when we're hanging out here. Tonight, the plan is once the kids are done doing up the dishes, if you hear any banging, that's just them. They're doing their job. Once the kids are done cleaning the dishes, we're gonna head in there and start making up some gingerbread houses. Curtis's aunt had this awesome tradition that she would do every year with the great nieces and nephews along with her granddaughter, and she would build each of them a gingerbread house, and sometimes she'd have some of the kids in the neighborhood join in too. She would build them and pop them together, and then the kids would come and decorate them, and that was this amazing tradition that she would do every year. Last year my husband and I took that over, and we did it for his side of the family. We built, I think, 15, 16, something like that, gingerbread houses, and all the kids decorated at our family Christmas, and it was awesome. This year it's going to be even more memorable. Auntie Net has passed away, which is really tough, and so this feels like it's a really special thing to do. Like there's a little bit more weight. It makes it a little bit more more of a valuable memory. And so I'm really excited to be able to do this with our family. Yeah, I think it'll be really special. Got a few things that I want to just show you that Curtis picked up from Walmart, my thoughtful, lovely husband. This cool Christmassy spatula, this fun Christmassy lifter, and a nice white whisk for all of my hands that get scratches or whatever. So if you're looking for some fun Christmas utensils that are cute, you can check those out. If not, that's fine. I also have a little video, a short that I'm going to make. Got it halfway done, so I'm going to do the rest today. It's for some like wood protector for your wooden utensils. So I was not expecting to get these, but I've got a couple nice wooden utensils that I picked up. They really want to save for many years to come. And then I'll pass them down to my boys because They just love to cook so much.
What? No. That's Irene. That's Irene and all.
Irene does not love to cook.
Well, then give them to this man. Yes.
Yeah, probably.
Not me. I am not a chef.
I want a cookbook
Ooh.
for Christmas. I asked you, right?
It's true, you did mention that. So, we'll see. So,
That's not my jam.
not your jam. It's alright. We're finally getting into the kitchen to make those gingerbread houses. And I wanted to drink some tea tonight. It felt like a really good time to just unwind and enjoy a nice warm cup. So if you've never tried this one and you enjoy cinnamon, you should give it a go. It's quite lovely. I'll leave the recipe for this gingerbread down in the description. It's great for cookies as well as gingerbread houses. Alternate uses for your dehydrator. Use them to cool your baked goods.
Gingerbread.
Winning! And here's a DIY that you can do with one of your antlers. I'll pull back to give you the full view. Just some, what is this stuff called? Oh, it's midnight and my brain is not even functioning. Whatever that is, it's burlap ribbon. And then whatever that is, plaid. And mule deer antlers. I think the burlap and the other ribbon might have come from Walmart, but that was like last year, I think.
Dollar store.
Well, dollar store or Walmart, either one. You can get pretty lucky sometimes from the dollar store. I found some pretty great stuff. I'm so tired. I've tried to do this ending now 3 times because it's midnight and we've been baking gingerbread all evening. All I want to do is sit down and watch Narnia with my kids.
On one camera.
So, this is the weird part. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.